Hello everyone, welcome back to Chateau Ponsac Renovation. Just to give you a bit of an update. We've actually been in the UK for the past 5 weeks, tends to be no videos. Had a few health issues, but now everything's okay. So the project's now going to continue. What I'm going to do though is next week, I've had a lot of people asking, can I show them around a property? At the moment, we've got building materials and things like that all upstairs, and doorways are blocked off so dust isn't going in. So as soon as that's sorted, I promise I will do a video showing you the whole of the house and also the whole of the land, and the projects that we've got going on the land, i.e. the gîte and other stuff. But yeah, I don't know whether I mentioned before, just like to wish you all a happy new year as well. I know it's a bit late, but as I say, we haven't been here, and just glad to be back. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you all for watching. And if you haven't already, please subscribe and also give us a thumbs up. See you all later. So the room now is all prepped, ready for plaster. I'm going to start that in a minute. Get it done. So quite happy with the progress now. Starting to get there with it. So just going to get a bucket of mix on the go. So there you go, all done. Take a few days now to dry as well, but it's just another job out the way now. Right, see you all in a bit. Ciao. The dining room's all done, ceiling rolls up. This is all painted. Yeah, so that one's all done. Oops. There we go. I'm sorry I didn't video this, but what happened is the camera went flat, and I'd started putting the plaster on, so I had to just get all the plaster on and leave the camera. But I thought I'd just update you on how it went. Now I've got all these walls done now. That's all done. These are all done. That's done. This bit of ceiling, the bulkhead's been done. That ceiling's done. And if you come around here, this return wall here has been done. Now that wall there has to be double boarded, insulated and double boarded, and it's got to be boarded right up the top. But yeah, that's it. I managed to get it all done yesterday. I'm quite happy with that.
So the box is what it's facing.
This as well is going to be wrapped up. I know it's getting sad now, but if you get paint on it's going to be a lot harder, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
It's going to be a lot more work. There's a piece up here as well. The piece of paper up the top. Well, that's it. I took a video of the cleaning up, but this is the walls now. They're just still wet. Yeah, what we've done, we've just given them a base coat, ready for whatever colour the paint's going to be used on the walls. And that's it. Yeah, we've got to do a ceiling tomorrow. Just sand it, and then we've got to get some cove in there. So we're not bothering. I'm not going to bother skimming and doing all the edges because the cove is going to go on and hide all anyway.